African elephants, nature's masterpieces. Journeys across habitat, heritage, and harmony.
Buds.
In the heart of Africa's diverse landscapes dwell the majestic African elephants. This book takes the reader on an enlightening journey through their incredible world, where every leap, gulp, and trumpet challenges preconceived notions about wildlife. We delve into the complexities of their social structures, explore the vastness of their habitats, and reflect on the cultural significance they hold in human history. Through vivid storytelling, we aim to raise awareness about their crucial ecological roles and ongoing conservation challenges. May this exploration inspire action to preserve these gentle giants for generations to come. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The majestic habitat of African elephants.
In the vast expanses of sub-Saharan Africa, the African elephant roams, spanning diverse landscapes from savannas to dense forests and even arid deserts. Their home requires ample space, fresh water, and abundant greenery, facilitating their nomadic lifestyle as they migrate seasonally. These environments serve as the perfect backdrop for their life, echoing with the music of birds and the rustling of wind through tall grasses.
Picture a serene savanna at sunrise, where the African elephant begins its journey. Its majesty is set against a golden horizon, surrounded by the calls of distant wildlife and the whisper of grasses underfoot.
The open land beckons with mysteries and endless paths. Here we thrive, guided by the ancient songs of our ancestors.
An elephant's physical marvel.
Admire the African elephant, the largest land mammal, distinct with its grey, wrinkled skin, massive stature, and fan-like ears that cool them down under the sun. These gentle giants weigh between 2,200 to 6,600 kilograms and can stand tall over 4 meters. Their long trunks, consisting of over 40,000 muscles, are multifunctional tools for feeding, drinking, and expressing affection.
Behold the magnificent silhouette of an elephant under the blazing sun, its ears playfully flapping, as if nature decided to paint this marvel in soft hues of gray.
Each line and curve of my skin holds stories of wanderlust across Africa, of days basking beneath the towering blue.
The savvy social structure.
African elephants are exceptionally social, forming close-knit family groups led by wise matriarchs. These familial bonds are built on strong emotional connections and social interactions. Through touching, hugging with their trunks, and a comprehensive array of vocalizations, they communicate, showing loyalty and care within their groups. Their social nature reflects an inherent intelligence, drawing parallels to human empathy and community.
Imagine the gentle caress of an elephant's trunk as it greets a family member, a profound gesture echoing camaraderie and kinship in the silent language of touch and presence.
In the bustling harmony of our herd, there resides an unseen bond, binding us across time and space.
The migratory marvels.
As seasons change, African elephants embark on epic migrations anchored by their profound memory and instinct. Guided by ancient paths in search of food and water, these migrations support not only their own survival, but create interconnections with the ecosystem. Through their journey, they sculpt the environment by creating pathways and spreading plant seeds, serving as vital rejuvenators of their habitats.
Visualize a herd moving gracefully over the land beneath a vast African sky, each step echoing with purpose, each path a passage through the heartbeat of nature.
With each stride, we trace the footprints left by those before us, searching horizons for hidden oasis and untouched splendor.
Feasts of the forest.
African elephants are herbivores with a hearty appetite for a lush diet, including grasses, leaves, bark, and fruits. This rich diet sustains their massive bodies and benefits their surroundings by encouraging vegetation growth. Each day, they can consume up to 300 pounds of food, sharing harmonious relationships with plants and trees that rely on elephants for seed dispersion and landscape maintenance.
Imagine the calm sound of an elephant munching through leaves and branches, transforming the landscape as it forages, echoing cooperation within its ecosystem.
The path to sustenance is both nourishing as it is an intricate dance of survival, where life cascades in abundant cycles.
A circle of life reproduction.
The miracle of life unfolds when the matriarch determines the herd's movements through birthing grounds. African elephants have the longest gestation period among land animals, nearly 22 months, paving the way for the birth of a single calf. This lengthy process ensures calves are born strong and prepared for the journey ahead, safeguarded by their herd.
Envision the tender heart of the herd encircling a new life, a bright-eyed calf emerging into the circle of protection and ancestral wisdom.
With every dawn, I am reminded that the future of ages past lies within these young, our legacy, our song whispered yet again.
Harmony and diversity, ecological role.
African elephants excel as ecosystem architects. Their movements and behaviors forge new habitats, making space for countless other species. As they traverse terrains, breaking forest branches, clearing paths, and dispersing seeds through their dung, they benefit their environment vastly, contributing to biodiversity and landscape richness. These actions exemplify the symbiotic relationship between elephants and their habitats.
Imagine a world shaped under the gentle but powerful nudge of an elephant as life springs anew from their interactions with Earth's tapestry.
We alter the world not by dominance, but by our steps of generosity, allowing every creature to find its place in our wake.
Guardians of ancestry, cultural significance.
African elephants' presence transcends the physical, deeply rooted in African lore and spirituality. Symbols of wisdom and strength, these majestic creatures occupy a revered place in folklore and myths. Their essence resonates through time, representing the enduring connection between humanity and nature, while their plight raises aspirations for conservation and respect for life.
Visualize stories carried on the winds of the African plains, telling of ancient spirits in elephantine form, guardians of forests, symbols of unyielding strength.
In the twilight echoes of tradition we remain, legacies etched in dust and stars, nurturing the balance between worlds seen and unseen.